Every day, millions of people still use passwords to prove who they are when logging into their bank, workspace, or portal. But a password is only a secret stored in a person's head, which doesn't actually prove someone is who they say they are. Passwords can be stolen, guessed, or compromised. ThinOps Cypher from the ground up changes that model by replacing passwords with cryptographic identity verification that feels simpler for simple people and absolutely bulletproof for the enterprise. Instead of storing risk in a password, Cypher verifies identity through cryptographic proof tied to an individual's identity. That means the thing you use to sign in is built on trust, not memorization. For internal teams, that creates a cleaner security model with less password fatigue, fewer reset cycles, and a sign-in experience that matches how modern enterprise systems should work. Passwords were never designed for the level of trust that business in the modern era now requires. ThinOps Cypher gives organizations a stronger foundation for identity from the very first interaction. It's a simpler experience for users, a smarter model for security teams, and an entirely passwordless future. ThinOps Cypher is the only security partner that lets you forget your password for good,